Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Emma looked in the mirror. She touched her hair. It's too long, she said. Time for a new look. She checked her calendar. Saturday was free. She picked up her phone and called her local salon. Hi, can I get an appointment for 2 p.m. on Saturday? Yes, we have time. See you then. The receptionist replied. Emma felt excited. On Saturday, Emma arrived at the salon. A stylist named Mia greeted her with a smile. Hi, Emma. What would you like today? Emma thought and said, I want a trim, maybe a little shorter and some layers. Also, can you wash it? Mia smiled back. Of course. Let's wash your hair first. Mia washed Emma's hair with warm water. She used nice-smelling shampoo. Emma closed her eyes. She felt relaxed and happy. After the wash, Mia started to comb Emma's hair. Then she began to cut. Snip, snip. Hair fell to the floor. Mia asked, so far so good? Emma smiled and said, yes, it feels lighter already. While Mia worked, they talked about movies, travel, and weekend plans. Emma enjoyed talking with Mia. When the haircut was done, Mia blow-dried and styled Emma's hair. Emma looked in the mirror. I love it, she said happily. You did a great job. Thanks. See you next time, Mia said with a friendly smile. Emma walked home. She felt happy and fresh with her new haircut. Emma thought about her great day. She felt good inside and couldn't wait to show her friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.